NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has just uncovered a surprising truth about the Andromeda Galaxy. Our closest giant galaxy is slowly dying. For decades, astronomers believed it was still forming stars, much like our own Milky Way. But after analyzing millions of stars, Hubble uncovered something unexpected. For the last 500 million years, star formation inside Andromeda has been steadily slowing down. And during the last 40 million years, that slowdown became even more dramatic. That might not sound alarming, until you realize what stars really are. Every planet, every ocean, every atom inside your body was forged inside stars. Without new stars, a galaxy slowly loses its ability to create new worlds. Today, most of the remaining star formation is happening inside a single giant rings about 32,000 light-years from Andromeda's center. Even there, the activity is fading. Scientists don't believe Andromeda is dying overnight. It's more like an aging city, where fewer and fewer lights turn on each year. Right now, Andromeda is still home to hundreds of billions of stars. But for the first time, astronomers are watching this giant galaxy slowly run out of the fuel needed to build its future. And one day, billions of years from now, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide and become a single enormous galaxy. But by then, the brightest chapter of Andromeda may already be over. Where science meets the unknown. Follow Origins Beyond.